Hello everyone, welcome to Cultural Cuisine. I'm back with another exciting recipe. I'm sure by now you've all been bored by eating meat. So we're going to do a vegetarian menu now. Today I'm going to make stuffed green chilies. Here I have got about half a kg of green chilies. They're this sort of size, quite long. I've de-seeded them. I've kept one. I'm going to show you how I've de-seeded them. Here I have half a kg of boiled potatoes, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dried pomegranate seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of half teaspoon of salt, and 2 green chilies. These are the spices will go in the potatoes. I'm going to mash them. Before I mash them, I'm going to show you how I de-seeded the green chilies. I'm going to wear a glove so I don't get chilies on my hand. But these are not very spicy chilies. They're very mild. I cut a slit like this all the way to the end. Open it like this. You can see these are the roots where they stuck together. I just pull this out and I've got all the seeds in my hand. This will give us extra space inside the chili to stuff them. Leave the seeds on the side here. Yeah, this is all empty now. Okay, now I'm going to mash my potatoes and add the spices in here. Potatoes are mashed. I'm going to add the spices now. Start with the green chilies, salt, red chili powder, pomegranate seeds powder, and garam masala powder. I'm going to give them a quick mix. This recipe has 2 sets of ingredients. This was the first step, and first set of ingredients I've added all in my potato mix. If you want to have it less spicy, you can just omit the green chilies, or you can add the red chilies a little bit less quantity. Okay, all my potatoes have mixed nicely. Now I'm going to start stuffing them in my green chilies. Once the chilies are stuffed, then I'm going to go ahead and show you the second set of ingredients. I'm going to take the chili, open it like this, take the potato in my hand, start stuffing it like this. Enough stuffing that it closes easily. It doesn't stay open. I'm going to move it all down, the stuffing. Here, my chili is stuffed. Take the excess filling out by closing it like this. Here, I'm going to do the rest. Fill the same way, rest of them. Show you one more. in there. And here we are. Second chili has been stuffed. I've stuffed all my chilies here, they're ready. Now these are the second set of ingredients I need for the gravy. I have here 2 large onions chopped finely, 2 large tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste each, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and here I have 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add half a cup of oil in my pan, and then let's start cooking. I'm going to add about half a cup of oil. Okay. Add the cumin seeds in here. Let them start crackling. Then I'm going to add my chopped onions in here. Now I'm going to add the onions in here. I'm going to brown my onions. Until they're nice and golden color. Okay, you can see my onions have started to go brown nicely. I'm going to turn the heat down before I add ginger garlic paste, otherwise it's going to splatter a lot. Add the ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cover it. All the splash and everything, oil stays inside. Okay. I'm going to add some water to this. Tomatoes, and the spices. Now I'm going to let it cook until the tomatoes are nice and soft. A little bit more water. And cover it on medium heat. Actually low to medium heat. Now I'm going to leave it covered so the tomatoes get soft. Then I'm going to add the chilies in here. Take about 5 minutes roughly. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. You can see the tomatoes are nice and soft. Now I'm going to add my green chilies, stuffed chilies actually, in here. Like this. I'm going to add about half a cup of water and let it cook. we need to cook our chilies. Everything else is cooked in here. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium, to low, low to medium, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes or so. Shouldn't take too long. They're green chili, so it should be done in 20 to 25 minutes maximum. See you in a little while. Oh, it looks nice. Look, this is all ready now. I'm going to turn the cooker off and I'm going to dish it out in my dish. Like this. Need to be very careful. They don't break because they're cooked and they're nice and soft. I'm going to add a bit more gravy now. Garnish it with the coriander, fresh coriander, and I'll show you. Okay, here it is, stuffed chilies or Bharwa Mirch with potato. They are vegetarian dish. They'd be really nice with the tandoori roti or plain roti or like homemade chapati or paratha even, and it'll be really nice even with plain pulao rice or boiled rice even. So please remember to subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet. If you like my recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and press the bell icon to receive the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Culture Cuisine. See you soon.